where are we going with this ad, with this coupon? Sorry, I had to grab a drink so I don't cough in this video like I've been doing so often. We are going to build at least a wireframe of a website, okay? Next week, okay? Right now you're working on getting me varieties of this coupon. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take these varieties of coupons. This is a preview for a future project. So I want you to think about this. Have it in your mind where this is going. This coupon is going to land in the beginnings of a website. Okay, remember earlier in the year, last semester, we did wireframes. Those wireframes had were where we were trying to figure out what went where on a website or on an application. In this case, we're going to come up with some kind of website. It could be an article system. I'm going to use the idea of something like a magazine, an online magazine. Okay, you get this online magazine. The magazine has different pieces. So here you see I've come up with a wireframe of a magazine design. I've got a hero image, that could be a big photo, an article preview. Now, inside this article preview, we might drill in and see even more. We might see a photo, a headline, or something like that. But for now, just the block saying it's an article preview, maybe a second article preview of some sort. Okay, this might be the beginning, the first 2 or 3 paragraphs of a front page article. Now, that front page article, inside of it, might have an image. It might have a headline. I don't know. But this is just simply blocking off space. Okay? Now that we've got this wireframe of a website under construction, I want you to take this wireframe of a construction. Sure, you can do this with the Post-it notes. We can always bring those back in with one of the folders, and you can say, this is what my website's going to look like. But now you know how to build this in tables. If you were going to build a table with this construction, what would that table look like? How would you construct it? You would have an outer table, and this right here is definitely tables nested inside of tables, inside of other tables, okay? So if I go back to my ad over here, you see that I've got this coupon is a table. You know, it might be tables within tables, but nonetheless, if we look at it and we see that this is all one massive table, this table right here holds every bit of that. That second line collapses to this 59th line. Okay? Here, let me show you this. It's a cool little trick. I should have probably showed you this earlier. Right here's a table. It's the innermost table. Okay? Or one of the innermost tables. Well, right here, we're going to grab that table, and if we code this structure, we're going to take that ad, we're going to grab this space right here, and we are going to simply put that table inside this spot of the page layout. Once we've built, and you don't have to build this table layout, this page layout, it could be your own. But when you build your coupon, let's say some of you are building a coupon that looks more in that shape, maybe that's where you put your coupon, or maybe your coupon goes here. I want you to think about where that coupon might live on a web page, and then let's start to fit it inside of that place. We're going to, in a future week, we're going to build a structure that looks like this, and we're going to put your coupon inside of it. And then once we have that, we're going to save that file, and then we're going to save a new version of it, and we're going to start editing and put something here, and we're going to edit and put something here. And over the course of this semester, we're going to build out the baseline wireframe of a home page or an inside page of a website. That's going to include everything. Maybe it's a menu, more ads, stuff that goes in a footer. I want you to think about what this is looking like now, starting this week. Start thinking about it. All you have to do is build some kind of ad, of coupon. Okay? But remember, this coupon, it's going to go somewhere. It's going to go in the web page you build. All right? Think about it. Looking forward to seeing your coupons, your varieties of coupons. And then when we see those variety of coupons, we're going to start thinking, where does this reside on your future web page? All right, so let me give you one last preview. We are going, and I don't have a visual for this, but I want you to think about if you get this and it's showcase worthy and you're really proud of it. Well, how do you show it off to somebody and say, you know what, I was able to do this, I was able to build it? That's where we go back to your WordPress work and we put in some way a representation of work you have done into that WordPress page, into that WordPress site as a portfolio of web design work that you've done. Okay? Hopefully, by the end of the semester, we'll get to that spot. All right? Look forward to seeing your coupons and be thinking about your future web page. See you soon.